Master the art of transforming stunning Figma designs into fully functional, responsive websites with Webflow. This tutorial dives deep into the powerful connection between Figma and Webflow. Streamlining your entire web design workflow will show you precisely how to take your meticulously crafted Figma mockups and bring them to life in Webflow, ensuring pixel-perfect accuracy and seamless responsiveness across all devices. Step 1. Design with Webflow in mind while in Figma. Think about the structure your website will need. Consider how elements will behave on different screen sizes. Use clear naming conventions for your layers and frames. This will pay dividends later. Step 2. Prepare your assets. Your Figma designs are ready to be exported. Think about exporting individual assets like icons, images, and logos. Webflow can often import entire screens or sections directly, but exporting key elements ensures maximum control and flexibility. Step 3. Recreate and refine in Webflow now. The magic happens. You'll use your Figma designs as a blueprint within Webflow. Recreate your layout, colors, typography, and spacing. Webflow's intuitive visual editor allows you to replicate your Figma's aesthetic with incredible precision, without touching a single line of code. Step 4. Add dynamic functionality and responsiveness. This is where Webflow truly shines. You can easily add hover effects, animations, and complex interactions directly within the Webflow editor, mirroring any dynamic elements you've envisioned in Figma. Most importantly, you'll ensure your site looks and functions flawlessly on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. The benefits are clear: faster development cycles, reduced errors between design and development, and the ability for designers to build in a way they're already comfortable with. Bridge the gap between your creative vision and a live, functional website. So start designing smarter, building faster, and achieving your web design goals with the powerful Figma to Webflow workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tricks.